Question number 7. Factorize 3x cube minus 48x. Here we see that 3 and x both are common in this expression. So firstly take the common 3x. In bracket we have, it gives x square minus 16. Now this becomes x square minus 4 square. So in next line we may write x square minus 4 square. So it is the form of a square minus b square. We have in one bracket x minus 4 into x plus 4. This is our required factorization. Start. Factorize 27a square minus 48b square. Here we see that 3 is the highest factor of 27 and 48. So on taking common we have, taking 3 as a common, 3 in bracket we have 9a square minus 16b square. Now again it is the form of a square minus b square. So we have 9 may be written as 3a whole square minus 4b whole square. So it is the form of a square minus b square. Now use the formula. In one bracket a minus b and into 3a plus 4b. This is your question. Start. Question number 9. Factorize x minus 64x cube. So here we see that x is common in both expressions. So on taking common x, we have 1 minus 64 x square. So it may be written as 1 means 1 whole square and 64 x square may be written as 8x of whole square. Again it is the form of a square minus b square, where a is 1 and b is 8x. So using this formula we get 1 minus 8x into 1 plus 8x. This is your required factorization. 8ab square minus 18a square. Here we see the common is in both expression 2a. So on taking 2 as a common we have 4b square minus 9a square. Now see this bracket, 4b square written as 2b of 4 square and 9a square may be written as 3 of 4 square. So we have 2b whole square minus 3a whole square. It gives in one bracket 2b minus 3a into 2b plus 3a. This is your required factorization. Question number 11. Factorize 150 minus 6x square. Here we see that in both expression, in both terms, 6 is a common. So on taking 6 as a common we have 6 as a common, so we get here 25 and minus x square. So it may be written as 5 square minus x ka whole square. So again it is the formula for a square minus b square. So we have in one bracket 5 minus x into 5x. This is our required factorization. Factorize 3a plus 5b whole square minus 4c square. Again you may write 3a plus 5b whole square. There is no changes. Here we have 4c square, so it may be written as 2c of whole square. So again it is the formula for a square minus b square. So it becomes in one bracket 3a plus 5b minus 2c, which is a minus b type, and a plus b type means 3a plus 5b plus 2c. This is your required. Factorize a square minus b square minus a minus b. Here we see that there are 4 terms. The first of all, we write in this form a square minus b square in one bracket minus a plus b. Whenever we take minus as a common, then sign of this variable and this variable must be changed. Before the sign of a is minus, so it becomes plus. The sign of b is minus, so it becomes plus. Now this is the formula for a minus b a plus b. So it becomes a minus b into a plus b minus a plus b. Again we see that in both expression a plus b as a common, so I am taking a plus b as a common. We have a plus b into a minus b minus 1. This is your required